Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey, it's me again. Hello there, my amazing artists. How are you all today? Ready to create? I hope you are all in good shape during this distance learning time. Related to your science lessons about ocean, continent, and landscape, today, we're gonna continue our Ming Vase creation by adding cherry blossoms on top of the vase. Do you know where this vase originally came from? I'll give you a hint. First clue. 你好，谢谢你，不客气. That's the language. Second clue. It is the country where COVID-19 outbreak first begins. What country now? You're absolutely right. This vase came from China. And where's that country lies? The Republic of China? Yes, it is in the Asian continent. Now when you're ready, let's say Basmalah. Here is shown the media needed, which is black marker, crepe paper, scissors, and glue. Miss, I don't have crepe paper. Relax, chill, be cool. We are artists, right? Be creative. You can use any paper you have, such as origami paper, or you can color white paper you have at home. You can even use tissue. This one I would strongly suggest to use the tissue. Make sure it is a clean tissue, please, not the used ones. Ew, come on people, that will be disgusting. And this is the step-by-step on how to make this. First, you gotta have the Ming Vase Creation. I'll give you the link on the description below. You have made it last time. Second, draw the branch. Make sure you're paying attention to the size of the branch. It will go thinner as it goes to the edge. Look. Make it thinner as it goes to the edge. You may add a little bump maybe. And there. Just try to make like this. 8 tips for you. When you're making a branch, it looks like a Y, a letter Y. Y branch, Y. You can make letter Y, Y, like that, Y. And then you can color it using your black marker, like this. Make it good. Maybe add a little bump here because, you know, I'd like to see a variety. Variety is the principles of art that make our artwork even awesome. Like that. Now you can make it like this. All of the branch create that, and you may roll around your crepe paper. Roll around the crepe paper. I have pink, light pink, and then white. Just, you may use scissors, but I will tear them just like that. Make it small like that. I'd like to see some colors, but if you want to, you can just use white only or pink only. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine. Now you can roll it, make it small. make a flower with that. I even use my 2 hands, look. I'm good at multitasking. I hope you are too. That's way we get it finished faster. There. Now using your glue, just there and stick it at another one and stick it. Make sure it attach well. There, you may make like this. Make it better than mine. And when you have finished, you will get this. Voila! You have a fabulous art piece. Isn't it awesome? Okay, friends, that's all for today. We have finished this lesson. Now say hamdalah. And that's a wrap. Make sure you always stay safe and stay healthy at home. Be good. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.